Hello, this is Grant Thrall. Today's lesson is on SimplyMap. SimplyMap is a thematic mapper that contains geospatial data at the census tract, census block, 5-digit postal code level, county and state level. There's a variety of information from the U.S. Census, from the Bureau of Labor Statistics that they've taken the effort to make easily available for you. Or you can get it at census.gov or bls.gov and other places. What makes a thematic mapper different than a geographic information system software program is within the thematic mapper, you can display the data, but you cannot spatially manipulate the data, such as you cannot create a buffer, you cannot perform an overlay as we can within our GIS software. So first of all, for logging on to SimplyMap, computer at your library that has a subscription to SimplyMap at University of Florida. One would have a GatorLink account, GatorLink email account, and if you were to log on from an official University of Florida computer, you won't have any trouble at all getting into SimplyMap because you have a license with them. For me, I'm accessing SimplyMap from home, and therefore I had to establish a VPN with the University of Florida. And you'll probably have to create a new account, and I'm going to say I want to make a map. And what are the variables available? Census data, business counts, so recently I have selected entertainment expenditures for 2018. And this shows total entertainment expenditure projected by the county level for 2018. Let's say that that's what I want. Then I go into Actions, Export Shapefiles, and I've already done this before for entertainment, total entertainment expenditure, and entertainment household average. And I want to export this with the geographic container being a zip code. Send. So it's going to send to my email address, which is registered with SimplyMaps and has been, you will download this and it will be a zip file. Then right click on the file name wherever you have placed it, and then you can copy and paste it somewhere else and then open it, or I can recommend to you 7-zip. I've already downloaded and decompressed my zip file, and note that there will be a lot of files besides just the shape file. All those are necessary in order to construct a layer in a map, not just the SHP file, but also the project file, PRJ, and the DBF file and so forth. So I've already done this, and this is my SimplyMap shape file, and I will make it as my working layer. And I've already renamed these fields. You'll see field 1, 2, and 3. So here we have total expenditure. Or I can say I want to have optimal breaks, but less than 8. And so here we have then by zip code, total entertainment expenditure. The problem is we're not holding geography constant. We have different size zip codes with different that are irregularly shaped. And so I will create a layer, and I've already done so to speed things on. So I've created a layer in the way that I've demonstrated before. And then with that, then I have performed an overlay. And I selected those cells that had more than one or more zip code within them. And so here we have it. We have a heat map. We have a heat map showing where the total expenditure is going to be greatest. We can see regularly that if I want to locate a movie theater without considering competitive supply, I might want to be in here in Florida.